Have heart healthiest in the world. Here's how life and diet residents of Bolivia's Outback. Have heart healthiest in the world. Here's how life and diet residents of Bolivia's Outback. The Tsimane were the explorers because every day the men of these people do at least 17,000 steps and the women 16,000 steps. Researchers say Tsimane residents in rural Bolivia has the healthiest heart in the world. Study published in the scientific journal The Lancet showed that people Tsimane average does not have artery blockages in their heart, even the elder. It was amazing to see a radical diet and way of life, the researchers said. They recognize all people on Earth cannot be back to being a hunter and thousands of years of cultivation. But they say there are lessons to be learned from the lives of the Tsimane that ussualy called as Tsimane. There are about 16,000 people Tsimane eating the hunting, fishing, and farming in Manaki River, part of the Amazon rainforest. Lowland Bolivia. Life have in common with human civilization thousands of years ago. Scientists and physicians must take a variety of low and continued journey by boat to get there. How does your diet compare to the Tsimane? A total of 17% of calories they consume comes from the animals they hunted, such as wild boar, tapir and capybara, the largest rodent in the world. Then as much as 7% of those consuming freshwater fish and between piranhas and catfish. Most of the rest take food from farm families who grow rice, corn, sweet potato and pisang. We also consume fruits and nuts. That is, they consume 72% of calories coming from carbohydrates. Whose U.S. citizen consumes 52% carbohydrate. Tsimane consume 14% from fat compared to 34% and as Tsimane people also consume less fat. Americans also got 14% of calories from protein. But the Tsimane eat more lean meat. How healthy they? The Tsimane is an adventure. Every day the men of these people taking at least 17,000 steps and the women 16,000 steps, and at the age of 60 years ago, they at least still able to walk more than 15,000 steps. This makes most people struggle to. Close to the number 10,000 steps seem very insignificant. They achieve remarkable dose of exercise, said Dr. Gregory Thomas, one of the researchers at Long Beach Memorial Medical Center in California. Whether the heart is healthy, the Tsimane only be obtained from the diet and walking. The Tsimane mentioned do not smoke, but they are exposed to more infections, which could increase the risk of heart problems that cause inflammation in body. We also cannot escape the intestinal worms that dampen the immune response, could become more common and also can help protect the heart.